Hello, amazing people. Welcome to today's video. Prepare for an inspiring journey where we will explore a theme that is absolutely essential to our personal and spiritual growth: the art of overcoming obstacles with resilience and unwavering faith. Let's be honest, life is not always a sea of roses, right? At many times, we are faced with challenges that seem insurmountable, storms that threaten to drown us, and mountains that seem impossible to climb. In these times, it is natural to feel discouraged, overwhelmed, and even without strength to continue. But what if there was a way to turn these moments of crisis into opportunities for growth and empowerment? In this video, we will demystify resilience and faith by showing that they are not innate gifts, but skills that can be cultivated and improved with practice. Let's explore together powerful and accessible tools such as creative visualization, which helps us to create a clear picture of our goals and connect with the energy of fulfillment, and prayer, which allows us to seek strength and guidance from a higher source, nurturing our hope and confidence. In addition, we will share inspiring stories of people who have overcome great adversity with resilience and faith, showing that regardless of the challenges we face, there is always a path to victory. Prepare to receive an extra dose of inspiration and motivation, as by the end of this video, you will be equipped with the tools and mindset needed to face any obstacle with courage, perseverance, and the certainty that they are able to achieve their greatest dreams.